Hello and welcome to this new topic, the first lecture of the new topic on intelligent scheduling in this course, AI in Operations Management. So, in this section, we will give you an in-depth view of how to use artificial intelligence for intelligent scheduling in process optimization and automation in operations, right? And we will begin by talking about intelligent scheduling in terms of what it is, define, clarify what intelligent scheduling really means to all of us, right? So we'll do that in this lecture. So what do you think is intelligent scheduling? Yeah. Any thoughts on what is intelligent scheduling? See, intelligent scheduling refers to, use of artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms to automatically plan, allocate, and optimize, tasks, resources, or appointments in a way that improves efficiency, you know, reduces cost, and adapts in real time to changing conditions. So that is what intelligent scheduling is. Quite a lot of things, right? So there is AI and advanced algorithm that automatically on their own plan as programmed, plan allocated resources, few things like task resources and appointments, and in a way that improves efficiency, reduce costs, and adaptation happens in real time to changing conditions. So there's a lot of intelligent scheduling that is happening, right? So what are the key features of intelligent scheduling? What are the key elements? What are the things that define intelligent scheduling? We got some idea, but let's go and take a look at these key features. Your first is the AI powered decision making. Now, intelligent scheduling uses machine learning and historical data, two things together, to make smart scheduling choices. So it makes scheduling choices which are smart using historical data and machine learning and predicts delays, demand surges, or resource availability ahead of time. So that is the first feature of intelligent scheduling in terms of AI-powered decision making. The second thing is real-time adaptability. Started talking about that. It automatically adjusts the schedules when disruptions occur, right? Like disruptions could be like staff sick leave, machine breakdowns, or traffic delays. So whenever disruptions occur, the way you have defined disruptions, it will automatically go ahead and run the program to adjust the schedules. So real-time adaptability. The third element, it's a multi-constraint optimization program. It considers multiple variables like workforce availability, equipment readiness, location constraints, delivery windows, and the service level agreements. So, using these five or more dimensions of the constraints, it does an optimization. So, it's a very powerful process. Then also it does predictive analysis. It forecasts workload, peaks, and inventory levels and pre-schedules resources before the demand hits, right? So that's how it uses predictive analytics to schedule resources before by forecasting ahead of the demand surges. Then let's take a look at some examples of intelligent scheduling in action. In manufacturing, you could be using intelligent scheduling, you could be automatically assigning machines and workers based on job urgency, downtime, and capacity. You could be doing field service management where technicians are routed based on skill, proximity, and priority tasks. You could be using it in logistics and transportation with real-time traffic and delivery slot optimization for fleet vehicles, right? Or you could be using it in healthcare to schedule surgeries, doctors, and patient appointments based on urgency and appointment. So these are some examples, some use cases of intelligent scheduling, right? Get an idea? Wonderful. So what are the benefits of intelligent scheduling? So, first it leads to reduced downtime because of the predictions, and the predictions avoid bottlenecks. Second, it is a better resource utilization. It assigns the right percent machine to the right task. It improves productivity, keeps operations running at optimal pace, saves cost by avoiding overstaffing and underutilization, and leads to higher customer satisfaction by faster and more reliable service or delivery. So these are some benefits of intelligent scheduling. So let's look at what are the technologies that work behind the scene in this intelligent scheduling. The first of that obviously is machine learning. You could be using regression, classification, or any other kind of machine learning based on your objectives. Then there are optimization algorithms like linear programming, heuristics. Then there is the RPA for execution, the one that we talked about in 5 lectures in the last section, right? Then there are IoT plus sensors for real-time inputs and API integration with ERP, CRM, and HR systems. So these are some technologies that work behind the scene to do intelligent scheduling. So what do we do next? So having looked at and defined what is intelligent scheduling, we will look at in the next lecture how to implement intelligent scheduling. It sounds interesting, right? It can reduce a lot of work, do automation, make better choices, save costs. So why not implement it? So how to do that is what we will discuss in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on intelligent scheduling. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.